Have you ever wondered how many countries Airwallex operates in? It's a question that's popped up in my mind countless times, especially as I've seen their name popping up more and more frequently in the global financial landscape. Let's dive in and find out just how far-reaching their global footprint is. Before we get to the numbers, let's take a quick step back and understand why Airwallex's global expansion is such a big deal. This Australian fintech company has been making waves with its innovative cross-border payment solutions. They've essentially created a digital financial infrastructure that makes it easier for businesses to move money around the world, and they've done it with impressive speed and efficiency. The global expansion. So, how many countries have they managed to conquer? Well, get ready for a number that might surprise you. Airwallex currently operates in number of countries around the globe. That's a staggering number, especially when you consider the complexities involved in setting up operations in different markets, complying with various regulations, and integrating with local financial systems. Key markets and growth. While Airwallex has a strong presence in many countries, there are a few key markets that have played a significant role in their growth. These include Asia Pacific. This region has been a hotbed for fintech innovation, and Airwallex has capitalized on it. Countries like Australia, Singapore, and Hong Kong have been particularly important for their expansion. Europe. Airwallex has also made significant inroads into Europe, with key markets including the UK, Germany, and France. North America. The United States and Canada are increasingly important for Airwallex as they continue to expand their services to cater to the needs of businesses operating in these regions. The future of Airwallex. As impressive as their current global footprint is, it's clear that Airwallex has even bigger ambitions. They've been expanding their product offerings and exploring new partnerships to further solidify their position as a leading global fintech player. It's exciting to think about where they'll be in a few years and how they'll continue to shape the future of cross-border payments. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, Airwallex is available in number of countries. That's an impressive number that speaks to their commitment to providing businesses with seamless cross-border payment solutions. As they continue to grow and innovate, it's clear that Airwallex will play a crucial role in shaping the global financial landscape for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.